If you're looking to streamline your customer success processes, Salesflare is a game changer for managing relationships and maximizing value for your clients. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Salesflare to drive customer success in your business, covering everything from automating tasks to leveraging its powerful features to stay organized. Salesflare is an intuitive, automated CRM designed to help teams manage customer relationships and track sales progress seamlessly. If you're new to Salesflare, this software takes a lot of manual work off your plate by integrating with your email and calendar, automatically filling in customer information, and helping you stay on top of communication, all without needing constant updates from you. One of the key elements to using Salesflare for customer success is its automation. By setting up workflows, you can automate reminders and follow-ups with customers, so nothing falls through the cracks. It also helps you maintain consistency in customer interactions, which is crucial for retaining and delighting clients over time. The dashboard in Salesflare is incredibly user-friendly and centralizes everything you need to know about your customers. From contact details to sales history, everything is in one place. For customer success, this is invaluable because you can see exactly where each customer is in their journey with your company. You can track important milestones, see if they need extra support, or determine if they're ready for an upsell or cross-sell. Another great feature is the built-in email tracking. Salesflare tracks all communication with customers in real time, making it easy to stay on top of conversations without having to dig through your inbox. You'll know exactly when a customer opens an email, clicks on links, or replies, giving you the insights you need to engage them at the right time. You also get a complete overview of your customer's lifecycle, which can be customized to your specific needs. Whether you're using it for onboarding, account management, or proactive support, Salesflare allows you to tailor your process to ensure your customers receive the best experience possible. One of my favorite aspects of Salesflare is how it integrates with other tools and systems. It seamlessly connects with your email, calendar, and other software tools, making it easy to bring in data from multiple sources without leaving the platform. This eliminates the need for manual entry and reduces the risk of errors. For customer success, this integration means you can pull in client information from other systems like your accounting or billing software. You can set reminders to follow up based on key triggers, ensuring that customers are always on track with their journey and have what they need from you. Before I go, let me mention that you can actually try Salesflare for free using the exclusive link below. By signing up through this link, you get extended access to their trial period, which is a fantastic way to explore how Salesflare can specifically help your team deliver exceptional customer success. To recap, Salesflare is an all-in-one CRM that automates tasks, tracks customer interactions, and integrates with the tools you're already using. Whether you're managing customer relationships or looking to optimize your sales funnel, Salesflare makes it easy to stay organized and focused on what matters. Don't forget to check out the link below for your free trial and exclusive bonuses. This software is perfect for any team looking to elevate their customer success game. Make sure you're taking advantage of all its powerful features.